Hi friends, welcome to the next video of the basic lessons of the Excel. And today I am making the video on merge and center command of the Excel, which is in the home tab. Okay, so and in the previous on the all these commands you can get on my channel. Okay, so today I am moving towards merge and center. Okay, so how to play with the merge and center? Here, first of all, click. You can see in the merge and center, merge cell, merge some same cells, merge and merge content. Okay, so first of all, okay, here in this cell Rahul Chaudhary is name there, and in the second cell Rohit is there. Okay, so select this both the cells and click on this below arrow of the merge and center. In the first of merge and center, okay, I have merge and center. Okay, here you can see only Rahul Chaudhary is there, and now the Rohit Chaudhary is not there. Okay, like this. So I have already only merged cells, not the content. Guys, properly understand what I am saying that. Okay, just click on undo. Some more. Okay, now select this first and second cell again. Click on the merge and center. Now we'll move toward the second command of the merge and cells. Okay, this also works as same as this. Okay, we'll move to the next merge content. If I clicked on the merge content, now the content has been merged. You can see like this. My content was in the first cell, the word Rahul Chaudhary was there, and in the second cell Rohit was there. Now both the contents are in the single cell like this. Okay, click on undo. Okay, now what else? What is remaining? Merge content. Okay, now this was the first way, and the second way is vertically. If you select the first and uh, the next or below vertically, click on the merge and center. Okay, just select and click merge and center. Okay, I will show you how to play with this command. Again, select this and merge the content. Here you can see my content has been merged in a single cell. Okay, this is the way of how to play with the merge and center. I hope you have got this concept, and if you like this, subscribe and hit the bell icon. And thanks for the watching.